Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. I wanted to cook 2 meals using 2 pounds of ground beef. So, Walter been having a fit for some Hamburger helper lasagna. I bought 2 boxes. I'll see. And I already made my chili. I love me some good chili. And I make some delicious chili. So right now I'm heating up some water so I can pour in this ground up meat. I already added some seasonings. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I've been up to. Okay. Let me show y'all the chili. My chili is right. Look at that. Love me some chili. Okay, Okay, I'm heating up the water. He said I need 3 cups of water plus a half a cup of milk. So how much is this? How much water is this? A little over 3.5 cups of water. I'm gonna put the stuff in here. It's supposed to be some kind of packet. It is. I think I will cook 2 boxes. Excuse me for reaching in front of you. Why did not open this box right? There have been times when my kids were growing up and we didn't have no meat, but I had Hamburger helper, so I made some helper. It was good, just didn't have no meat in it. Opening up the sauce mix. Oops. Okay, put the steaming hot water in here, and I ain't got no milk. I don't have any milk. I'm out of top. Turn it back on. Mix this sauce packet up in the water. Oops, I'm being messy. Okay. Let me wipe this, clean this mess up. Got some tomato sauce here just in case I want to add that. So this is what it is. The lasagna with real cheese. Hamburger helper. And I'm going to put some cheese on it. Some shredded cheese. I'm gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna put some more seasoning in it. Put some of this Nor chicken bouillon. It adds a good flavor to everything. And yes, it has salt in it. I use a lot of that. And pepper. Now add no more salt. I'm gonna taste. Can stand some. That's what I've been using lately, the jollof rice seasoning. Some parsley flakes. Just adds color. I ain't never tasted no parsley. I don't even know what parsley tastes like. Like it don't have a flavor. Okay, and some Italian seasoning. I like to see my seasoning. See some oregano up in here. I ain't gonna use nothing else. It's starting to thicken up already. I want these noodles to cook. Walter back there thinking he could sing. That'll be enough food for him. Yeah. Worcestershire. What's this here sauce? Let's add a little more. This is pure flavor. Okay. It needs a kick. Crushed red pepper. Not too much because I won't have him crying. Okay. Let this simmer, turn the fire down. I'll be back when I'm dishing up my food and I'll show you how both of them look. Take a thumbnail. Here's my chili. Love me some chili. Got 3 color beans in it. Red beans, light red, dark red, and chili beans. And here's the Hamburger helper lasagna. Yeah. I'm trying to get a thumbnail of both of these savory dishes. Yeah. And I like a lot of juice in my chili and in my spaghetti. Okay, you can't see the chili good. Okay. Okay, I just dipped up my dish of chili. Put a little cheese on it. That's what I use, the Mexican style cheese. Walter just came through here sniffing. Said, "Ooh, we got some food." Do either one of us look like we've been starving? We ain't hardly starving up in here. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. In case y'all want to see me taste this chili. I'm going to taste the lasagna. You know, I already know it's good. I'm going to let y'all know if it's good or not. Still steaming hot. Good old-fashioned hamburger helper. Good. I prefer, and the noodles are nice and tender. Al dente. Make some chili. That's what I love, y'all. Love me some chili. I didn't let y'all see me making it because y'all can probably tell me what I'm going to do next. I've made it so much. Good, good, good. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bon appetit. Bye. Be blessed.